Thank you so much. I'm your body's regret. The President of Nigeria, Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu, should urgently intervene concerning the situation in Rivers State before things get out of hand. Rivers State will soon be enveloped by serious violence if nothing urgent is done. Let the President ask Wike to remove his hand if there is any way he's involved in the plot to impeach the governor of Rivers State. Let something be done urgently. We cannot accept this violence that is about to take over Rivers State. Let the authorities do something immediately. For there to be confrontation with the governor in the area of shootout, attempt at the governor's life, it is unacceptable. Let the president intervene immediately before things get out of hand. Let the powers that be, that are behind this plot to impeach the governor, redress their steps. Let something be done to nip this at the bud before it will explode. We cannot take this violence that is about to engulf Rivers State. Let the president do something and let him do it now. His teaching time saves 9. The time to act is now. Mr. President, call in Wike and call the forces behind this move to order. Whosoever is involved, let the person redress his steps. We cannot accommodate impeachment of Rivers State governor now. The violent reaction will envelop the state. Let something be done and let it be done now. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.
They are tear-gassing the governor. They are tear-gassing the governor of the state. He's looking at me out.
Let me say the good people of Rivers State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again after about 9 years ago when we had an experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes. It is clear. I know that.
For any reason. Even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this that we use taxpayers' money will be destroyed for selfish reasons, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agency. From what I've seen, the security agency even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me.
Yes, sir. I saw it. For tear gas to the governor.
They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I am ready to die with you.
I want to die when people hear Fubara. They say, who is this Fubara? Is that
our hero
killed one time for a struggle?
You will not die.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody. But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. This person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly.